thoughts and thoughts result in action. Don't compare yourself with others.
See.
No one play a role better than you. I hope you all got an idea whom I'm speaking about.
It's Dr. Kalam sir, right?
Yes, it is an absolute honor and privilege to present before you a drama that celebrates the extraordinary life of one of the India's greatest sons, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, fondly known as the Missile Man of India and People's President. Dr. Kalam, known for his visionary ideas, including his ambitious plan for India's Progress Vision 2020. This vision aimed to transform India into a developed nation by focusing on areas such as poverty eradication, infrastructure development, and technological innovation. Now, let the story of Abdul Kalam unfold.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Awal Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam has represented to the many of his fellow countrymen the very best aspects of Indian life. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's autobiography is a deeply passionate story. It's about a common boat owner's son who has grown up to become India's most distinguished scientist and technocrat. His personal story is a valuable document. In fact, it's a message to the whole world that Indians can be world shakers with no foreign training or foreign degree. So let's watch and witness the Missile Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam lives on Mosque Street in Rameshwaram. On one side, there's a mosque. And on the other side, a Hindu temple.
Shri Ramanatha Bhagavanstava Suprabhatam Shri Parvatendra Kulavardhani Suprabhatam
Ashiamma? Ashiamma?
Oh, you have come.
Today was extremely productive but exhausting.
It's so sad. We have all eaten, but mother and father haven't.
Yes, I know. It is burned, not soft all because.
Oh, it is completely. Ashiamma, I know you have been flooded all day. I know you did it. Come on, let's share it. It's more than enough for me. Take this.
Look how empathetic and insightful my Abbajan is. He's a conflict resolver.
Yes.
Dear children, come here. Sit down.
Children, listen to your father's words.
Children, listen. In his own time, in his own place, in what he really is, and in the stage, he has its good or bad. Every human being is a specific element within the whole of the manifest divine being. So, why be afraid of difficulties, problems, and sufferings? When sufferings come, try to understand the relevance of your sufferings. Adversity always presents opportunities for self-analysis.
Abbajan, why don't you say this to the people who come to you for help and advice?
You can't understand. It is a complex spiritual concept. Your father put it in his simple words. Do your duty, never mind your happiness.
Okay, Ammajan.
Then we must agree that family is the first school and parents are the primary educators and the most influential teachers of our lives. Let's see what happens the next day.
Abdul,
Are you ready to go to school?
yes, I'm ready.
Abel, where are you going, my dear?
To school, Ammajan.
fine, dear, but don't roam about the beach. Take care.
Okay, Ammajan. Oh, the beach. How I love to watch the fishermen.
Their nets, the fish. Oh, it's wonderful. Hey, look! The fishermen are coming.
Let's go!
ఏటయిందే గోదారమ్మ ఎందుకీ బులికి పాటు గగురు పాటు ఎవ్వరో వస్తున్నట్టు ఎదురు చూస్తున్నది గట్టు ఏమైనట్టు
నాకు కూడా ఎడమ కన్ను అదురుతుంది మీదట్టు మన సీతారామ స్వామికి మంచి ఘడి రాబోతున్నట్టు
హోలేసా 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 ఏటయిందే గోదారమ్మ కృష్ణయ్యకు పింఛమైన నెమిలమ్మల దుంకులాట దుంకులాట ఎంకన్నకు పాలు దాపిన పాడావుల ఎగురులాట ఎగురులాట రామునికి సాయం చేసిన ఉడుత పిల్లల ఉరుకులాట ఉరుకులాట చెప్పకనే చెబుతున్నవి చెప్పాకనే చెబుతున్నవి
మన సీతారామ స్వామికి మంచి ఘడి రాబోతున్నట్టు
హోలేసా 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 ఏటయిందే గోదారమ్మ ఎందుకీ బులికి పాటు గగురు పాటు ఎవ్వరో వస్తున్నట్టు ఎదురు చూస్తున్నది గట్టు ఏమైనట్టు
నాకు కూడా ఎడమ కన్ను అదురుతుంది మీదట్టు మన సీతారామ స్వామికి మంచి ఘడి రాబోతున్నట్టు
హోలేసా 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 హోలేసా
Namaste children, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Today we are going to learn 7 table. Repeat after me.
Okay, sir.
7 ones are 7.
7 ones are 7.
7 twos are 14.
7 twos are 14.
7 threes are 21.
7 threes
Hey.
are 21.
Hey Abdul, what are you doing here?
Oh, namaste, sir. I'm following my rocket, sir.
Oh, really?
Sir, I get good marks in math, sir.
Oh, you think that you are a great mathematician? You deserve this. Whomsoever I can becomes a great man. Take my word.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste children. Learn your lessons well.
Okay, sir.
As the years passed by, Abdul Kalam has grown up and now he wants to pursue higher education. Let's see what happens.
Ammajan, Ammajan. Oh, you have come, my dear.
So glad to see you, Bull.
Abbajan, Abbajan.
Tell me, beta.
After obtaining my BSc, I have realized that physics is not my subject.
What?
I wish I could have joined an engineering course after my intermediate. Better late than never. I would apply for admission at Madras Institute of Technology. I must leave Rameshwaram, Abbajan.
What? After completing your BSc?
Yes, Abbajan. I must leave Rameshwaram. Abel, what are you saying? I need to leave Rameshwaram, Ammajan. How can you leave Rameshwaram? Oh, Abel, how can you leave me like this? I cannot live without you, Abel. I cannot. Ya Allah, how can I bear this, Abel? How can I?
Ashiyamma? Ashiyamma, your children are not your children. They are the sons and daughters for life longing for itself. Ashiyamma, you can share your love but not your thoughts, as they have their own thoughts. Abdul, I have to go away to grow. Ashiyamma, that's the Sri Lord Prayagraj stand alone and without a nest. Abdul, you must move to the dwelling design of your greater design.
Yes, Abbajan, I know it.
Ashiyamma, our love will not buy him, nor our days hold him.
How can I bear this? How can I? But pursuing an engineering degree at Madras University is an expensive affair. How can we cope up with this?
Ammajan, don't worry. Take my gold bangles and chain.
Zora, what are you doing?
It's all right, Ammajan. Bhaiya, take my gold bangles and chain. Mortgage them.
Oh, Zora, how can I pay you back for your love and affection?
Don't use such words, Bhaiya. I want to see you as an engineer, Bhaiya.
I want to release this from the mortgage with my own earnings, Zora.
Abdul, do you remember? There may be many setbacks, disappointments, and distractions. But he who knows his learned. But the wise one is the one who knows himself. May Allah bless you, my child.
Thank you, Ammajan. Thank you, Ammajan. Sir, may I come in?
Yes.
This is my application, sir.
Abdul Pakir Jailulabin Abdul Kalam from Rameshwaram.
Yes, sir.
Why aeronautics? Why not mechanical engineering?
Sir, I'm interested in aeronautics.
Why not electrical engineering?
Sir,
It's not about the lack of infrastructure or the education. It's about their own personal choices.
Mr. Basit, the trouble with these Indian students is that they lack to discriminate and rationalize their choices. When you choose your specialization, you must check whether that articulates your feeling and aspirations.
Let's see what this country boy is going to do.
I strongly disagree with you both. You can never judge a book by its cover. Because I believe this guy over here is gonna do something big.
Yes, I too agree with you.
A coin can flip either way. Let's see.
You may leave now.
thank you, sir. Ayer, Joseph.
Yes, Abdul.
Our English teacher, Reverend Father, in Sequera for his energy and patience was amazing.
Yes, sir is considerate to take care of every student.
I wonder about Professor Totatri Iyengar and Professor Suryanarayana Sastri. The mathematics teachers vivid memory.
Joseph, they are the followers of Kanchi Paramacharya. They walking around the campus inspires me. Our physics teacher, Professor Chinnadurai and Professor Krishnamurthy introduced me to the concept of half-life period and matters related to the radioactive decay of substances.
Oh, physics!
I wonder why some people tend to see science as something that takes man away from God. As I look, science is a win to the heart. Science, in fact, is the path to spiritual enrichment and self-realization.
Is it Abdul?
Yes, it is. Namaste, sir.
Namaste. I must say, I'm impressed by the strong bond among all of you, despite coming from different religious backgrounds. What's the secret of this unity?
Sir, I think it's because we recognize our shared identity.
We transcend our individual faiths.
Yes, sir. We have learned to appreciate and respect each other's differences. And that's what brings us together.
As the saying goes, united we stand, divided we fall. We are Indians.
Well said, young man, well said. Let us all salute our Mother India.
ज्यादा भी है कम भी है खुशियाँ भी है गम भी है तेज थोड़ा मध्यम भी है ढीले है थोड़े पर दम भी है तू तड़ाक हम भी है इसी तरह भी है सुर ताल से जगा है देखो इंडिया नमस्ते 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 इंडिया नमस्ते 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 इंडिया ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ नमस्ते ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ नमस्ते Where dreams turn into reality beyond Bollywood. Devotion, determination beyond Bollywood.
यहाँ अलग अलग है जात पात कहीं रात में दिन है कहीं दिन में रात यहाँ जब अजब है बात बात कहीं मात में जीत है कहीं जीत में मात
दिवाली है होली है बैसाखी है त्योहार से है भरा ये मेरा इंडिया नमस्ते 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 इंडिया नमस्ते 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 इंडिया ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ नमस्ते ओ ओ ओ ओ नमस्ते Where dreams turn into reality beyond Bollywood. Devotion, determination beyond Bollywood.
Sir, may I come in?
Yes. My boy Abdul, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Great, Abdul. I want to tell you something. Congratulations. You are selected as a trainee at HAL Bangalore.
Thank you, sir.
I'm sure you're going to make some miracles, Abdul.
Believe me, sir. I'll do my best. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let me tell you what. Abdul Kalam has become an apostle of unparalleled genius.
Undoubtedly, his 1980 SLV-3 successfully launched Rohini satellite.
Exactly. There are many surface to tackle, but his success was in his missiles. And that's the reason he has been awarded by Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan too. And he deserves the credit. I mean it. He deserves the credit.
Now, how about his present task?
He can do it. He can do it. I'm sure he'll do it. Abdul has that capability. And I have that belief in him. Let's all wish him all the very best for his forthcoming success.
Yeah.
He spent decades as a scientist and science administrator, mainly at the Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO, and Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. He was intimately involved in India's civilian space program and military missile development efforts. He thus came to be known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. Now he's working on SLV-1. Let's see what he does.
Okay. Congratulations. I'm glad to work with you. This is a new project, SLV. Let me introduce you to it. T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition. Yes, I'm also disappointed. I'm worried about the press.
Kalam sir, please let us know how did SLV1 saw its failure.
Sir, what was the mistake which you did? Then please let us know what is the use of investing quite a lot of money into this kind of project if it is failure like this?
What would you like to share, Mr. Kalam? The 8 young men sacrificed their lives.
The airborne surveillance platform crashed into the dense forest near Arkonam. P. Venkatraman was piloting the aircraft.
Sir, P. Longo, instrumentation engineer, and K.P. Shaju, radar system engineer.
And
I Ajay Kumar, radar processing scientist, and D. Narasimha Swami, signal processing scientist.
And Mr. Seshu and S. Ravi lost their lives in aircraft.
Sir, share your answer, sir. What would you like to share, sir?
What would you like to share, Mr. Kalam?
Please don't badger him with all the questions. This is a high value project and it involves a lot of risk in it. There are a lot of chances that it fails. On behalf of all ISRO, we are so sadful that we lost 8 great brains. We are so sadful for their families. Mr. Kalam, don't worry.
It's okay, Mr. Kalam. You'll do it better next time.
Abdul Kalam restarts SLV project.
Minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
पूरी दुनिया से कहो, copy that. Come on, my boy Abdul, you have done it. This success is the answer for every single question they badgered you last time.
Well done, my boy.
Sir, please share the secret of your success.
Sometimes, when you're in a dark place, you think you're buried, but actually, you've been planted. And always, believe in yourself and success is yours.
Yes, believe in yourself and success is yours.